Okay, so today we're gonna solve this problem. We have a function right now and we need to find the tangent line of the function. So to find the tangent line, we need three basic things: the x-intercept, y-intercept, and the slope. We already have the x-intercept, so we only need to find the y-intercept and the slope. So let's start by finding out what's the y-intercept, and by finding that we need to substitute the number 1 in the x of the original function. Okay. And the number is 7, so the point is 1, 7. And that number, we're gonna use it when we sketch the graph at the end of the problem. So now we need to find the derivative of this function, and it's very important to know that to find a derivative, there needs to be a variable in each number. So in this number, in the fourth, there's no variable, so we need to cancel it. So now we're gonna send the 2x minus 1 upwards, and it's gonna look like this. And this -1 appears because in here there's a 1 over here in the top, and when we send it upwards, that one's gonna turn a -1. And now we're gonna do chain rule. We're gonna multiply the -1 times the 3 and find the derivative of the number of this part of the equation. And we're gonna multiply now. It's gonna be -3, 2x minus 1, and the derivative of this function of 2x minus 1 is 2. So this 2, we're gonna multiply it by -3, and it's gonna be -6, 2x minus 1 minus 2. And this -2 appears because when we do the derivative or the chain rule, we always need to subtract the exponent by -1. So -1 minus -1 is gonna be -2. So we have this part of the equation, and we need to change it as the original function states. So we're gonna send this part downwards, and the -2 is gonna turn a +2. Okay, this is the derivative function, and now we're gonna substitute the 1 in here in the x, and what we get is gonna be the slope. And the slope is -6. So we have the slope and the point. And now we're gonna use this equation to find the equation of the tangent line. And now we're gonna substitute the y, the m, and the x. The y is 7, the slope is -6, and the x is 1. And now we're gonna solve for y. So we're gonna move the -7 to the other side, and it's gonna be a +7. And now we're gonna multiply the -6 by 3 and by -1. And now we're gonna add these two numbers, and the final answer is this equation. And now we're gonna graph really quick. It's very easy. Okay, so now we're gonna graph this equation, and we're gonna use this number to put in the line. So we're gonna put it really quick. It's 1. And now the line needs to pass by 1,7. And the equation starts in 13. Okay, here's 13, and we're gonna go 6 down and one on the right. And here the line touches in the dot stated. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the line is gonna look like this. So this is the way you solve this problem, and it's very easy. So thank you.